My name is Victor Duarte Jr.
My name is Aaron.
My name is Victor Duarte, and the name of the company is Duarte Landscaping.
Our company started with my father. He's been in the business for over 40 years.
I started after I got married on '79, so I've been in business since 1980.
So Duarte Landscaping is anything from hardscapes to softscapes to anything that have to do with planting, irrigation, fence work. We do it all. Right now we're in the city of Chula Vista. We're at actually a family friend's house. Came to us with a pretty significant problem. They have a backyard that was really unusable. It was just a large piece of land. Consulted my brother and my dad and asked, hey, how can we make this backyard better for us? And he's got 2 boys that are growing and they need some football space.
So here we use the Stonegate Contemporary, a sandcastle. This is actually the first time us working with Stonegate, and I actually really like it. It looks really nice, it's very modern, it's very sleek. What we did is install the retaining wall first, bringing up the level, and then once we finished the level, we actually added this small planter retaining wall, which gave it a nice look. So here up top, we installed the Catalan sandcastle pavers with the herringbone pattern. We used the onyx border to give it a little bit of a contrast. We loved how it came together, and the client loves it.
Since we were little kids, we used to run around at the RCP stores throwing 3/4 crushed rock at each other. We grew up around RCP. We have relationships with guys that when we were in high school, they were in high school, and now they're at the counter and now we're working. And it's just a family affair for us. We trust them.
There's no other store like RCP. It's great. I mean, I recommend RCP to anyone.